how to save a PowerPoint to a flash drive. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy a PowerPoint file to a USB flash drive. Let's get started. First, insert your USB flash drive into your computer or laptop. When the USB drive folder automatically pops up, you can just close it for now, no problem. Next, go to the location where your PowerPoint file is saved on your computer. It might be in your documents, downloads, or on your desktop. Now, right-click on the PowerPoint file you want to copy. From the menu that appears, select Copy. After copying, open this PC or My Computer from your desktop or Start menu. Find and open your USB flash drive. It will usually show up under Devices and Drives. Once you're inside the USB drive folder, right-click anywhere in the empty space and select Paste. The PowerPoint file will now copy over to your flash drive. Wait a few seconds for the transfer to complete. It shouldn't take long unless the file is very large. Once it's done, double-click on the PowerPoint file inside the USB drive just to make sure it was copied successfully. And that's it, you've now safely copied your PowerPoint file to your USB drive. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next one.